Hey guys, my name is Sam and today I want to take a quick look at the 997 by New Balance in collaboration with New York based clothing brand Aime Dore. I picked these up at an end store in London, and what's cool is they had a gorgeous floral display and gifted customers with an end and New Balance branded bouquet of flowers. The floral theme continues with a cream box lid with pink roses, peonies and cherry blossoms across the lid. At the center you get New Balance made in USA and Aime Dore branding embossed in navy blue. And opening up the box we get two extra sets of laces, one plain white and the other having navy and pink stripes, both branded at the lace tips. You get the shoes wrapped in a floral printed wrapping paper. As much as I love the packaging, we're not really here for the box, are we? So let's get right into the shoes. This is the 997 by New Balance in collaboration with Aime Dore, a lifestyle clothing brand based in Queens, New York. Both brands are known for their minimal premium designs and they keep things quite clean and simple with a grey suede mesh upper with a pinch of colour in the navy blue pebbled leather ankle colour as well as the yellow tongue. Branding is quite minimal with a floral insoles with Aime Dore branding at the heel. This all sits on an off-white end cap midsole with white at the forefoot finished by a grey outsole. I like the tonal details that feature a light grey at the forefoot as it gets slightly darker to a mid-grey at the heel. The hint of pink on the thermoplastic midfoot straps adds a nice pop. Speaking of pop, you can see the reflective 3M hits around the collar, this time it's in blue, so expect this to pop at night. Like the other made in England or USA shoes, the materials are fantastic. The paint job is good, but I did notice a little bit of glue on the right foot's midsole. There wasn't any on the upper, but that was my only little gripe with the shoe. Sizing wise, unlike the 1500s, this fits true to size. Unfortunately, these aren't my size. I didn't manage to win my size 11, so sorry about the lack of on feet this time. And yes, you can tell by my voice that I'm a little bit gutted that I didn't grab my size, but it comes with the game. You win some and you lose some. At least I was able to give you guys a quick look at these shoes. To me, these are fantastic, one of the best collabs of 2019 so far. But did any of you guys get lucky? I personally prefer these over the purple. Let me know if you agree, disagree in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment flowers to show me you watched this video to the end. Please subscribe if you like my content, and as usual, all of the links will be in the description. Apart from that, have a good day.